Good morning, traders. Welcome to today's market review. This is Fred Razak at CMTrading. Today is May 15th, 2018, and today is Tuesday morning. So looking at the economic events of the day, 10:30 South African time, average earnings index coming out of the United Kingdom, and then that's followed by a 2:30 USD number, core retail sales coming out of the United States. Now, briefly, we had a hiatus. I was away for about a week or so we didn't have the morning review. And I was in the United States, and I'll tell you for something for sure, a lot of economic activity going on in the States. Saw it in firsthand. Some of the consumer spending is tremendous. Okay, the lines there were just crazy. Okay, so there's a lot of spending in the United States, and that's really what fuels the economy, the consumer spending. So that's a very important number that we'll keep an eye out later today. But let's see what's been happening in the markets just in general. So we're taking a look here at the Euro USD. We kind of faltered all the way down to 118.19, as you can see here, and we held this line. All right, these support and resistance lines are not there just for purposes of just drawing them up. As you can see, we really follow through on them. Okay, we breached the 1880-ish level, but we held the 1820-ish level. So that's an important factor right there. And we bounced off of it, and we're retracing a little bit right here. That could be a bull flag where we continue trading further up today, okay, as the week progresses. So that's what I'd be looking right there with the Euro USD as we faltered from 123 down to 118-ish. That's over a 500 pip retracement. So, to see it bounce back to maybe the 120-ish level, something to take a look at. Now that's obviously going to be on the back of the Dow Jones. We'll take a look at that in just a moment. GBP USD really dead. Okay, I wouldn't expect this to jump anytime soon, as it's like really not bouncing at all, not above this 136-ish level. So looking at this right now, maybe we could further sell off if the market continues this direction. Okay, the dollar getting stronger versus the GBP USD. Swiss franc, okay, USD getting much stronger here. Look at that, a double top. All right, we had this massive rally, and we had the breakout. If you remember, we had a double channel here, and then we broke out on this channel at 96-ish level, just about right here. And look at that massive rally you could have had on that breakout on the upside. Now we're hitting a double top here on a daily chart. Looking at a weekly chart, that's an important, this is an important, really important threshold at 1. Okay, so if we don't break this above, we could definitely see this retracing a little bit, but at this current momentum, okay, law of motion states, we continue unless something else stops it. So this may continue on the upside. I'll take a look at that as well. USDs are getting a little bit stronger versus the dollar here, selling off from 12.75 down to 12.27-ish level right here, bouncing off of it. Now we've the dollar getting a little bit stronger versus the rand, and then correcting itself right here. So I would look actually for it to be trading between this range of 1213-ish level and 1250-ish level. So that's what I'd be looking over there. Aussie USD as well at the bottom of its range here. Okay, it hasn't really faltered this level, but this is really an important level. It was 75.15-ish level. If it does break this level, we could see it continue breaking down to 73-ish level. So that's something to keep an eye out. Now looking at oil. All right, now this is really the biggest play. We rallied last week to 71.65-ish level. Now we're trading between these two ranges. Now, price of oil has gotten really stronger over the past, I would say, half a year. Okay, really gotten solidified over the past half a year, as you can see on a daily chart. Okay, now this hasn't stopped our upwards momentum. If we could hit 70, there's no reason we can't hit 80. Okay, it's just a matter of time, and a matter of velocity of how quickly we're going to get to there. So that's something to keep an eye out, that we're going to be trading within these two ranges. So remember, tomorrow we're going to have weekly oil inventories coming out. Now looking at the Dow Jones, now like I mentioned before, consumer spending is very strong in the United States. I was in a few places and you could see the lines are really, really strong, are really long, and people are spending money. All right, so that means that there's money in the economy. The correction that we had from 26,500-ish level, I think, is just a correction. All right, I do think that we're going to get back into those levels further in the year. Now we're right at a pivotal point, right below 25,000. We're trading at 24,850. Now this is really an important level if we're going to break out on the high side. I'd like to see maybe this retrace a little bit but then take it up above 25,000. 25,000 is psychologically a major number for the Dow Jones. So let's see if we do get that this week and have continued momentum, especially if we break the 25,000, we could then go to 25,500. Okay, we're still off of our highs, just about 1,300 points, and relatively compared to how much we've gone through the year, that's a massive rally, relative to where we've been earlier. So taking a look at that, looking at the JSC also at the top of its range here, 52,300. I'd like to see some sort of breakout, as we've been, trading between the 48,700-ish level and 52,000. So this would be nice if we do break out, okay, up to the 53,000. So like I mentioned before, I think the equities markets are very strong. I think the indices are very strong, and I do believe that we'll continue rallying up. So that's something to keep a look at. This is Fred Razak. I want to wish you guys a great trading day. Thank you.